and I'll be freaking out the door. Look how flat the closure lays. You didn't see me do anything to the closure on either one of them. They just lay flat and easy and get up out my face, okay? What's up, my baby daddies, and welcome back to my channel. I got a hair review from Angel Grace Hair. I'm so excited because y'all already know my Angel Grace hair from last time was popping. I'm gonna go ahead and... Whoa. That's a lot more than I expected to come out from there. It looks like they gave me a beauty blender. Bet you it's a beauty blender. We'll look at that later. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, definitely I have a lot more than I expected hair. Oh, the little pamphlet is much smaller now and really cute. I feel like they have people's faces on it before and they realize like, we don't need people's face on there. Especially since we're not the ones who took the picture. One of those hard beauty blenders that they be giving us. This one don't feel that bad actually. And it's a really pretty color. I got 7 bundles of hair in 2 closures, y'all. Oh snap, Angel Grace was not playing with me, y'all. Look at that length on that closure. 22-inch length. And then this one is 14. So I think I'm gonna do a short hair wig and then a long hair wig. In the bundles, I got 3 bundles of 16 inches to go with the 14-inch closure. That's what it looks like. And then I got 2 bundles of 26 and 2 bundles of 24 to go with the 22-inch closure. All right, so we're gonna go in with the 14-inch closure first and get the length on that since that's the shortest thing we have here. Because we can't have these companies jipping us on our lengths, you know what I'm saying? And this company is not. They giving us 16 around here, 17 even, and it's a 14-inch closure. Okay, the bundles are exactly 16 inches. Well, at least that one was. This one was 17 inches, and this one was 17 inches. Now we're gonna go to the 22-inch closure. This goes down to, this goes down to 24 inches. The 24-inch bundle goes down to 24, right a little bit past 24. This 24-inch bundle goes to 25 on the dot. Now the 26 goes to 27. The other 26 goes to 27. I just went on Angel Grace's website to see how much they would charge for 3 bundles of 16 and a 14-inch closure. This looks like a frontal, but it says closure. So whether it's a frontal or a closure, for 3 bundles and a frontal / closure, it's $146.27. For under $150, you get 3 bundles and a closure. Remember those days when buying hair was $150 per bundle? Actually, some people still do that. On here, they don't have 4 bundles of 26. They have like the longest in the 4 bundle deal is gonna be 24 inches. And then the closure is gonna be 16 inches. And if I do that, then the price is gonna be $220 for 4 bundles and a closure. 18, 20, 22, 24, and a 16-inch closure would be $220.46. They do have 26-inch bundles here. Like this one is gonna be 22, 24, 26, so it's only 3 bundles and a 20-inch closure, which is realistic, and it's $218.34. It's $2 off, you guys. I'd rather get the 24, 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch closure than get the 26 and only get 3 bundles and save $2. Like, but yeah, that's the prices on these. So now we're gonna go into the video. Okay, so this is Angel Grace Hair, and as you guys know from the beginning of this video, they sent me a whole bunch of bundles and 2 closures, so I was able to make 2 wigs. This one is freshly washed, so it's air dried, and that's why there's a little bit of a bend to it. It's straight hair, so it shouldn't really have a bend to it, but this is the long one. Look at these ends, y'all. I love this hair because of the ends. You can see that there's some wear going on this one. I'll put this one on a little later so I can show you guys and give my review on the longer hair. Y'all, I'm gonna just show you a few things because I don't know who they think they are, you know? All these people telling you that you gotta pay them $200 per bundle for hair. Yeah. They definitely getting it from Ali. Look at this, y'all. You're gonna see a lot more wigs at this length because anytime I get a wig and it's at a weird length, I always end up chopping it up to right here. I mean, if you follow me, you saw a Yairu hair review, and that hair was long. It was probably down to here, and I just cut it up to here. So right now, at this very moment, I have 3 wigs at about the same length. I think that the price of these bundles are average for Aliexpress. And the reason why I call it average is because I could say it's high, but it's there really any hair on AliExpress that's really expensive? Yes, there are a few companies, but no one buys from them because why? I'm the type of person that doesn't like to have hair for too long anyways, unless I'm obsessed with it, you know what I mean? Because I just get tired of things. I get tired of people, I get tired of locations. Like, I don't even think I'll be able to buy a house. I'm gonna be like, I'm supposed to live here forever, but I wanna go live over there. You know, that's the type of person I am. So you don't see me with wigs often. So this type of thing that I do is actually a really good thing for me. If I need to get somewhere really quick and I'm like, damn, I don't have any wigs that are already done, because I like to do my hair ahead of time because that takes the longest time, then I would just grab this wig, throw it on, get these roots, and I cut a little bit of a layer in the front so I can bump it. And I'll be freaking out the door. I live in Vegas. It's hot as fuck right now because it's summertime. So obviously I have the longer hair, and at first I was like, I'm not gonna ever wear this, but I've been finding myself reaching for the longer hair recently, because normally when I go out with, like, say if someone says like, hey, meet me at the casino, we wanna go gambling or something like that, I don't gamble. I will lose all my money if I gamble. I don't do that. But I know a lot of people who like to gamble. So they're like, hey, come meet me at the casino. If I know I'm gonna be sitting down somewhere, then I'll throw on this long wig. If they're like, oh, come on, let's go get something to eat, then I'll, you know, throw on the long wig. I've had this hair for a really long time, and in the next few hair reviews that you guys are gonna see, I have to apologize because I really put my hair reviews on the back burner, but I have been wearing the hair. So I stopped wearing this hair about a month ago, and that's because I got a different company's hair and I started wearing that hair. But yeah, when I stopped wearing this hair, I should have done the review, but I never did. And so I'm happy that this company isn't pestering me about it, but I've worked with this company, I believe, before, twice. So they know I'm gonna give them their video. And then like, with hair companies who, they know their hair is good, they don't really have to worry about the creators making the video about it, you know? They know the video is gonna come up eventually. I don't know. A lot of companies kind of sound a little insecure when they're talking to people, like, yeah, we can't pay you and we can't do this and that. For whatever reason. They'll be like, oh, we need the video link first and all this bullshit. Because, you know, YouTubers will take the money from these companies. Yes, YouTubers do this. They take the money from these hair companies and they don't post the videos. And it's not like they don't post the videos because the hair is not good. They don't post the videos. They just take the money, take the hair, and they don't post it. Like, are you serious? All these new little kids coming on here just to scam? Like, you really trying to fuck it up for us? To actually do our shit. And then when I'm late or do something like, kind of like what I did for the past 3 months, the companies start getting stressed. But like I said, this company wasn't stressed. I have other companies that I'm working with though that are kind of stressed. Like, bitch, where's my video? Your videos come in if your hair is good, and if your hair is not good, I've already told you, your hair is not good. So don't be looking for no video. Unless you want a bad review, then I'll post it. At least you'll get some promotion shit. This hair is just so easy. Like, it's so easy. It's just pretty. People are always giving me compliments on it because nice and easy, and I'm fleek, girl. And I'm fleek, mamacita. What's up? Where you going? You wanna go while you trying to go get some drinks? What's high? So for this short hair, I'm gonna give it a 10. I don't have any complaints. I can't complain about it. I cannot complain about that hair. Ooh, this one still smells like perfume because I had just worried. I love this hair. I love this hair because of the ends. Like, look how full these ends are, y'all. I love this hair. I cannot. I love this hair. I love the way this hair looks, but I hate long hair. Like, I hate long hair. So obviously it's the same hair, it's the same company. So I would give this hair a 10 if it wasn't so long and annoying. Like, trying to style this hair, even though, like, you seen how it was all rough and stuff, I could literally brush it out, which is what I did the last time. I didn't do it. I could literally brush it out and go. Because it's so long, it just, I mean, it's easy to brush out and go and stuff, but long hair is so annoying. You guys don't buy long hair. I did my little center part. I didn't cut it. I didn't give myself no layers, nothing. I literally just wear it like this. If you guys are looking for hair that you don't have to worry about too much, I do recommend hair from this company. Their hair is a little bit on the expensive side for AliExpress, but it's still cheap compared to all these other hair vendors, you know? Look at those ends, y'all. Full as hell. I love it, but I hate it. In the wintertime, I'm gonna bring it back out, I'm sure. Everybody talks about this company's hair and the quality of it. I do feel like the shorter hair quality is better. I don't know why I feel that way. It might not be true. It might just be in my head, but I like the texture of the hair that's shorter. Actually, it's not in my head. I feel like the reason why I like the texture of the hair that's shorter is because people who are able to grow their hair this long, it's not like these ends are horrible, but these ends don't feel like the ends of that one because I literally snipped them. You understand? If I was to cut this hair right here, like I cut all my hair right here, the texture of the hair, the way it feels when you run your fingers through it will be a whole different situation because the ends of this hair, I usually only straighten the ends. They've gone through a lot more than the roots. Because of that, which it might not be a fair rating, because of that, I'm just gonna give the hair a 9, the longer hair a 9, but a 9 and a 10, and the hair quality is outrageous. And the bundles, the thickness of it, how it's thick from the root to the tip, that is fucking flabbergasting. For those of you guys who like to buy hair for ponytails, if you don't get this hair, you're stupid. Look at how flat the closure lays. You didn't see me do anything to the closure on either one of them. They just lay flat and easy and get about my face, okay? Like nice and easy hair. That's the best part about it because I'm a lazy hairstylist. You guys know that about me. Recently, I've been doing my hair to go out, but sometimes I just want to throw it on. I don't want to use that extra 30 minutes to an hour to do hair. Like, no. Obviously, I recommend all the hair I post on my channel, so it's just up to the people. The people who are watching these videos is like, if you were already on Aliexpress looking for what hair you wanted to get and you're doing your little research, if you came to my video to see if you wanted to get this hair, I do recommend you get it, girl. Go back to that site and buy it. A lot of people try to get me to compare hair companies to one another, and I don't like doing that. I don't know, that just sounds like a lot of reliability. That sounds like I'm putting a lot of reliability onto me because say I put a hair company here, 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 here. People are gonna come to me all the time asking me like, out of these 5, which one do you recommend? Which people do already, and it's irritating because like I can't answer everybody's questions. And I like to respond to my subscribers and stuff like that, but when I open up a message and it's like something like that, I'm just like, girl, my reviews are real. I post reviews, it's up to you. From here, it's up to you. Because I'm not trying to mess up anybody's hair company. I'm not trying to do no buyer bewares. I'm just not gonna promote you, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna take your money for my time and my work. Like if I had to make a whole wig, wearing it, I'm wasting the time that I could be spending on another hair company, another company's hair, and then your hair's trash, your hair sheds. Like, no, you wasted my time, go your way, and I'll let you know. It's an exchange, so you didn't waste my time because you paid for my time. But if you still want me to post a review, I will. It's not gonna be a good one. You know what I mean? It's like you win some, you lose some. But for the most part, I'd never have to have that situation. It happens once every now and then because I make people guarantee me their hair quality. Guarantee that your hair quality is good. If you're skeptical, if you're not sure about your hair quality, do not send it to me because once you pay me, I'm not giving you your money back. Companies will not respond because they know that they got trash hair. Companies will not respond because their budgets are too low. How you like my shirt? I got this from the Salvation Army, you guys. It got shoulder pads in it. It's like silk red. I don't got on a bra. Like I'm just free balling right now. I got it tied into like a little crop top. I'm feeling myself in this color, okay? It make me look all melly. Beautiful hair. You saw the short one, you saw the long one. I need to pick which one of these I'm gonna color or do a styling video on. I'm gonna let you guys do that. Do you want me to color or style or both to which wig? Long wig or the short wig, and then pick colors. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 colors to pick from for each wig. So for the short wig, I can do like pastel colors. So I could do like a pink, a purple, or blue on the short wig. But for the long wig, I could do a red, a brown, or an ombre. So if you guys want the red, brown, or ombre for the long wig, pick. So you have to say long wig and then pick the color. If you want the pastel colors, you have to say short wig and then pick the color. Or you could just put the color because then I'm gonna know which one goes with which. All right, so you guys are gonna be the ones to pick what I'm gonna do to one of these wigs because, you know, I do 2 videos for hair companies. If you guys didn't know, I'd like to be transparent. So it depends. Like I do the review first so you guys know about the hair and you know the quality of the hairs that I wear and know if you want to buy it, and then I do a video showing you guys what the hair can do. Comment down below. You guys are gonna be a part of this from now on, okay? It's gonna be a part of my decision making because I'm really bad at making choices. Anyways, I love you guys. Make sure you go out and do wonderful things in the world and make sure no drama comes from anybody but me because I'm your baby mama. I love you.